Let me see. Oh.
That one was very
Oh, here they
right
come.
in my hair.
Oh. Oh, it's right. Not there. Not on your head yet.
No, it's biting my hair.
Oh, it's biting your hair.
And it won't come down because these three are hogging it.
You guys, you're a fifth grader.
I'm sorry. They won't give you any. I know. They won't give them any. I know they're taking it all.
Oh.
I understand. Oh, want some. Oh.
Oh, I don't know if you can get it over there.
Yeah, I can.
Can you get over there? No, they won't let you?
No.
Oh, they won't let you.
I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. They won't let you. Oh.
Yikes. Here, go in the bird bath. Go in the bird bath. Go. Ah! This is going to poop on my head.
Huh? Oh, let me see, hon. Oh, no, it didn't. What about me? Is it pooping on my head?
No, it's
Oh.
Ow!
Oh.
Come on, go. It won't go.
It won't go. Oh.
Here, come on. It won't go.
It will.
Ah!
Oh.
I don't want it on my head.
There it goes.
Yeah, did it poop?
Hello, baby. No, it didn't poop on you.
Okay, that's it. I'm getting out of here.
You getting out of here?
Yeah, they're attacking my head and all. Look, he's biting your head off.
Ow!
He's biting all your head.
Bite my head?
Yeah. Let me get it.
Huh?
Let me get it, biting your head before it flies off.
It's on.
I know.
Look.
Look. That is so funny. Look at it. Oh. There it goes. There it goes. Okay.
All right, babies. All right. Ready?
Yeah, it will not shut off for me. I have no idea why.
Hello, baby. We have to go.
Keep going.
Oh, okay. No, it didn't poop on you.